Hey there, cutie bus.
Ew. Don't call me cutie.
Wanna go behind McDarley's? I'll clog up your exhaust real good.
Oh my god, no. What the And I don't even have an exhaust pipe. I'm an electric vehicle.
How about your charger socket then?
No.
May I play with your batteries?
Run. No way. That's dangerous. There's a chance they might just explode. Or you'll just end up electrocuting yourself.
Oh, you're already overloading me with electric cuteness.
Oh my mother freaking god. Leave me alone, you barfin. Or you'll have to face my taser eyes.
Dog. What an adorable little buzz you are.
I'm a fire in my